Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Christine. Today we're going to do a review on the brand new Everlane way high jeans. I have two pairs and I'm going to show you how they fit, my thoughts on them, and how I would style them. So before we go ahead and jump into the video, first make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also make sure you hit the little notification bell. That lets you know every time I post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. A portion of this video is sponsored by Everlane. Big thank you to Everlane. But you guys know I'm such a big fan of the brand, and I recently did a best of Everlane, so obviously I love their clothing and I am excited to style these jeans for you guys. So on Everlane's website, this jean is described as the highest rise yet. The way high jean accentuates your true waist, gives you legs for days, and holds you in the best way possible. Plus, it's made out of premium organic cotton with a touch of stretch, so sitting down isn't a deal breaker. Okay, so these are just the way high normal jeans. I also got these in a size 26 and they fit me perfect. These ones are supposedly not as stretchy as the black ones are because it says that the black ones are high stretch, but to me these still feel super comfortable. They hug me really nicely. Again, it makes my bum look really good, and the first time I tried these on I was like, Brandon, look at my butt. Makes my booty look really good, and for a pair of jeans to do that, it's just like, these are also the 26 regular length and they fall right above my ankles, but these have... Okay, sorry, Brandon's grandma's watching TV and she has it at like volume 100. These jeans have a little bit more of a like true straight leg fit, and I actually like that they're a little bit cropped because it makes it really fun if I want to wear it with boots or some sneakers. They're frayed at the edges, so I think that these are super cute. I really like the wash of them, and I also love that these ones have pockets. So these ones are the way high skinnies. Obviously these ones have a much skinnier fit than the blue ones that I have. These I got in a size 26 regular and they fit me perfect. It is very snug around here. I'm normally a true 26 in jeans, so these fit pretty true to size. They're really good length as well. I'm 5'6" and they fall right around my ankle, so these are perfect because it makes them super versatile and I can style them with a ton of different shoes. They feel really comfortable, but one thing I noticed is that these ones actually do not have pockets. The material also feels a little bit different than the like blue denim material that I have. I don't know why the material feels different and why these ones don't have pockets, but I feel like these are very flattering on. It really hugs my curves and it makes my booty look really good. I'm actually going to compare them with another pair of Everlane jeans that I have, so that just so you can kind of see like the differences in how they look like on. These are my Everlane high-rise straight jeans, and these are not quite as high-rise. They're still pretty high-rise, but I want to say that the high-rise are almost like an inch to an inch and a half higher rise, which I actually really like. These are kind of like a true straight leg jean. As you can see, my blue ones have just a little bit more of a like wider leg. These ones also have a similar crop to my blue jeans, and the material is actually a lot stretchier, but these jeans aren't as flattering on the booty as those other ones are. So those are the way high jeans. I love a good ultra high rise jean, and I have some fun outfits here that I am going to style with the jeans. This next outfit is super fun. This is actually a crew neck that I thrifted and it just says golf on it. I think it's so stinking cute. I also love that it's a high neck. It's just kind of like a simple laid back outfit, but I love these jeans with this outfit, and I love that they are just kind of like a true straight leg because it really ties in nicely with the entire outfit. And I actually do have the crew neck tucked in right now, and it helps to bring a little bit of emphasis to my waist. If I wanted to, I could always wear it oversized like that. And then I have slip-on white sneakers, something that is just basic. And I haven't worn like slip-on sneakers in so long, but it's just such an easy thing to throw together with an outfit. Outfit, I really wanted to style these white boots. I feel like I haven't even worn them much since I got them, and I also really wanted to go outside of my comfort zone and reach for an outfit that I haven't really done yet. This coat is amazing, and it's actually from Everlane. It reminds me a lot of the one that Aritzia has, but I actually like this one from Everlane because it is a little bit more of a crop fit. Underneath, I just have a kind of like beigey brown hoodie that I tucked in so that it lines up really nicely with the jacket. It just looks a little bit more cohesive. And then I styled it with these white boots that I got from Everlane a few months back, and I could see myself wearing these in Seattle because it's always cold and rainy there, and I'm actually headed there in a few weeks and I'm so excited. It just looks like a warm outdoorsy kind of vibe, and I am here for it. Okay, hear me out. I saw this outfit on TikTok and I was inspired. I'm trying to be like the cool kids, okay? I'm not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom. I just think this outfit is like really laid back and cool, and especially if you are still in school and you need something that is like a little bit more appropriate for your calls, or if you're going to meet some friends. I just feel like this is a really cool laid back outfit, and it still has all the pieces that make me really, really warm. So underneath I have a white turtleneck, and then I have this logo tee that I thrifted. I think that these jeans are kind of a nice pop of color. I feel like if you wore black jeans it would be just a little bit too plain, so these are really great neutral. And then I paired it with my platform chucks. I just feel like it helps to tie in all of the colors up here. Threw on a little beanie on top, and I just feel like it kind of brought in all of the cool vibes together, and it is actually really, really comfortable as well, which I appreciate. So I can always throw a hoodie over top or just a warmer jacket if I need a little bit more warmth, but I feel like this is just like a fun casual fit and kind of an interesting way to style blue jeans. Okay, this next outfit is kind of fun, a little bit unexpected, but I actually have the same long sleeve, and then I actually have a blazer layered underneath, and I just feel like this pop of plaid is so unexpected and so fun. I actually saw a similar picture on Pinterest where the girl actually had a crop top and a flannel. So this is kind of like my winter adaptation because it is pretty cold in LA today. I look like I love thrifting. I look like I live in Seattle, and I love it. And I just feel like the whole outfit ties together really, really nicely. This oversized denim jacket is actually thrifted, and I have just been so into thrifting clothes lately, thrifted looking outfits, and I just feel like it's so vintagey and cool. All the layers kind of make the outfit really, really cool, but it also helps to add a couple layers of warmth as well. The blazer underneath is actually also from Everlane. This is kind of like it's almost like a wool-ish material, so it's a little bit thicker than a standard blazer. I got it a few seasons back and haven't really had the chance to style it. Even if I wore it without the denim jacket on top, I feel like this would still be a really cute outfit. It's a little bit more like smart looking. The oversized denim jacket kind of made it look a little bit more like laid back and easygoing, especially with the fit of these jeans. They are so versatile because obviously you can wear them with boots, with sneakers. I love this outfit so much. This coat is definitely the statement piece of the whole outfit, and I like that the jeans are just super understated. They are ultra high rise, so I feel like I'm really sucked in up here. Paired with it, these Doc Martens. These are actually the Jadens, and I love that these have such a chonky heel, and it helps to balance how oversized the top is. This coat is actually from Brandon's closet, and it is from Isabel Marant, and that boy has an impressive collection of flannels, and every time he wears this, I always get so many DMs about it. I just feel like this is such a solid statement coat. It is absolutely beautiful and goes with so many different things. So I wanted to wear like pretty simple layers underneath since I wanted this to be like the statement piece. So I have this sweater from Everlane, and I believe this is the Stroop Waffle sweater, but it is such a pretty looking sweater, and it's been sold out for so long, so when it restocked I had to jump on it. Such a good layering piece. I feel like this outfit is a little bit more on the simple side, but since the coat is such a statement, it makes it look a little bit more elevated and not so like basic, you know? Okay, this is probably my favorite outfit that I put together in this lookbook. I feel like it is so cool. I already styled this jacket with these shoes, but I feel like with this outfit, it looks completely different, and I've been playing around with accessories, hats, doing my hair, and it really does help to change up the outfits a little bit. So underneath I have this sweater from Everlane, and I feel like this color is so unique. I feel like I have so many whites and like neutrals in my collection, so I wanted to incorporate a little bit more color, and so I feel like this is a really fun pop, especially because we have such like neutral layers. It's really fun. I feel like these white boots look so good with these skinny jeans because it just makes my legs look really long. It flatters the shape of the boot as well, and then I just feel like the coat ties everything together really nicely. And then I like that the beanie is white too because it just makes everything look super cohesive. I just love the way that everything looks. I feel like if I saw myself walking around, I would be like, what is her Instagram? This is the last outfit, and I feel like it is very cold weather friendly. This big parka is from Everlane. It is so cozy. I've been wearing it for the last few days because it's been rainy and cold. I actually wore it in my stories a few days ago and got so many questions, but I feel like this is a very solid winter coat. And then underneath I actually have this sweater here that I thrifted. I just posted a picture on Instagram about it. I picked it up in the men's section, actually tucked it underneath my brow so it kind of has that cropped effect. Also, let me just show you really quick. This is the top that I thrifted, and I feel like these types of tops are so in right now, but if you saw it like this, you would never even think of it as anything cute. But what I do is I have a little bralette situation, and I actually tuck it. Hold please. And that way you can kind of have like, I have to zhuzh a little bit, but that way you get a cute little cropped effect, and especially with high-waisted jeans. Isn't it cute? I tied it together with my platform Converse, and I just feel like the whole outfit is just super casual. I would probably realistically pull out the sweater and kind of just tuck it in, especially if it's cold out. I'm not really going to be wearing a crop top, but it's just kind of fun for photos, if you know what I mean. It's warm, it's cozy, it's comfortable, all of that good stuff. So yeah, that's the last outfit. So those are all the outfits that I came up with. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll go ahead and link all the pieces down below, as well as my sizing and measurements like I always do. But that is all. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!